your local Weather Authority forecast.
Another mild morning across the region, but a bit cooler compared to the past few mornings because of a weak cold front moving through with strong winds at times, and then eventually very warm weather later today, but dry conditions across the basin. As taking a live look at the tall city, still dark out there, mostly clear skies. Current temperatures 73 degrees, temperatures warming up nearly 30 degrees or more compared to what we're seeing right now, and I'll be tracking your record high temperatures at the cost of fire weather danger. Now, take a look at the bigger picture. We had an area of convection of showers and rumbles of thunder near the Dallas-Fort Worth area move off to the south and east, and behind that low pressure system we have a northerly and easterly flow bringing in again a little bit cooler weather this morning. Some morning clouds, but generally mostly clear skies across the region with really rain-free conditions to start off. Temperatures warming up this afternoon to 101 degrees, average high 89 degrees. But we do notice that we're a little bit closer to that average low of 62 degrees in the tall city when we'll dip to 69 degrees this morning. That daily record high temperature, 102 degrees, set back in 1996. I think we'll be just a little bit short of that for today, but near record high temperatures expected for tomorrow and also for a majority of the week as well. Take a look at this. Triple digits and 90s across most of the region, so make sure you guys hydrate today and be weather aware of the dry and breezy conditions, elevating the risk of fire weather and again blowing dust, limiting visibility at times. Overnight lows only dipping in the 70s because of the clouds and the breezy conditions, not really allowing those temperatures to drop too much across the region. Again, right now we have a northerly and easterly flow bringing in some humidity but rain-free conditions. But as we head later in the day, a southerly component in those winds bringing in drier weather and warmer weather as well, and those winds at times overnight gusting more than 30 to 40 miles per hour. So yeah, the breezy trend continues, and when combine that with the dry conditions, I've been saying this a lot, fire weather. A fire weather warning in effect till 9 p.m. local time today. A fire weather watch in effect till 9 p.m. local time tomorrow for really a majority of the basin. Critical to extreme fire weather conditions may, again, be the big story across many locations, not just for today, but for tomorrow and the rest of the week. Brush fires may spread rapidly. Now, again, we have a little bit more of a muggy start tomorrow morning. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s, drying out later in the day with a little bit more in the way of sunshine, temperatures above 100 degrees once again. So yeah, the above normal trend in those temperatures continues with really not much in the way of any chances of rain. Our best chance of rain will be off to our north and west today in the Trans-Pecos in the higher elevations because of that uplift, that forcing because of the easterly component in those winds for the first half of the day, but drier conditions later today and overnight. A return of humidity before a similar trend tomorrow, but this time the storm chances move off well to our south and east of our viewing area, and that's going to be the big trend for the next couple of days before even drier and warmer conditions return on Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures well above 100 degrees, cooling off a little bit on Friday, and temperatures back in the 80s by this weekend.